Did you know October 29th is Cat Day? We pay tribute to the super cat of the Superman family, Streaky, who first appeared in Action Comics number 261 in February 1960.
Just wait till you see what we got, boss!
Oh, it's a smorgasbord!
Save the fish for me?
Well, look what the cat dragged in! A cat!
That's right, boys. Where's the napkins?
What do you say we have us a tasty cat appetizer before dinner?
What's the matter, boys? Lost your appetite? Oh, that's funny. I see dogs, but all I smell is chicken!